Oh, it's pretty sort of fast.
Yeah, I just need to get up enough.
I'm getting scoped, like.
Oh god.
Getting scoped from
the right.
I'm not sure.
Two guys. There's one there. Straight ahead.
Ah, fuck.
I was gonna say I might be able to go. I might be able to go over the edge of it.
Helvete.
Killed these guys.
Any chance? No.
Ugh. Sort of use the rest of this shit up. Okay. Oh god, it's me against 11, eh?
It is.
Oh, there is another buy station in there.
You
Right,
have
am I
to
all loaded
find
up?
several pounds.
Oh yeah, that's true. I think someone landed just over here. Oh, someone in that window.
Nice unsilenced twat in there.
Oh, some things.
They're quids. There he is.
Oof, you just see me little laser there. Oh,
Ooh.
Christ. Oh great, my mask is now stuck. Oh,
Yes! Go in and have it. Someone else is doing him in.
let him have him, I think. He's right in front of me though.
Still in there.
Shouldn't have done that.
What is he doing?
Interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah, there's...
There's got to be guys down the hill.
Well, it's moving your way, so... Yeah, just check.
Yeah,
they've got to
three
be all...
over there.
They're all in there. Yeah. They're all moving out now. There's also going to be guys down the hill. Someone just smashed a window.
Ugh, I need cover.
Oh!
Yeah, there were shots from like...
I can hear him.
Oh, yes, lad!